So for best introduction, that is sponsored by Miss Maricar Netenzo. And the winner will receive a sash and cash. For best in introduction, so awarded by Connie and Henry. Asaman? Dara, perfect. Palawin. So you will receive a sash and cash. For best in introduction, who's your back performer number? Performer number 1. Alright. To be awarded by Connie and Henry. And the cash sponsored by Miss Maricar and Menzo. Next minor award is Best in Costume for Festival Queen. Who's your bet for Best in Costume? Tarong ko siya, hindi madunggan. For Best in Festival Costume, sponsored by Miss Rosemary Campos, and the winner will receive a sash and cash. Presenter ba, awarded by Best in Costume. Ay, saha ka rin lang. Ay, saha ka na lang din ako magkitihan. Best in Festival Costume, okay. To be awarded by Jane Norman and Oben Telebro. Sponsored by Miss Rosemary Campos. And the best in festival costume goes to presenter number 3 of the Iron Dance Company. Best in festival costume. Okay, next. Alright, congratulations. Okay, best in solo performance. Best in solo performance, who's your bet? Best in solo performance will receive a sash and cash sponsored by Miss Evelyn Bongali. Okay. Alright, so best in solo performance to be awarded by Leomar and Bryce. Okay, Bryce. So who's your back for best in solo performance? that is performer number 4. Get a picture. Next is Best in Choreography. Best in Choreography. Okay, Best Choreography for Ritual Showdown. You will receive a sash and a cash. That will be awarded by Best in Choreography to be awarded by Ninya May and Dustin. The winner will receive a sash. Will receive a sash and cash. Best in Choreography, who's your bet? That is performer number. Best in Choreography, performer number 2. Miss Madeline Balmes. Okay. The winner will receive a sash and cash. Next minor award is Best in Musicality. Safari Ritual Showdown. For Best in Musicality, who's your bet? Best in Musicality to be awarded by Karen and Lance. Best in Musicality, that is performer number 2. Musicality. The best musicality is to be awarded by Karen and Lance. Okay. And next minor award, that is Best. Congratulations. Alright, next minor award is Best in Group Performance. Who's your bet for Best Group Performance? Best in Group Performance to be awarded by Alea and Marcy. Alright, the winner will receive a cash and a sash. Best in Group Performance, sponsored by Miss Evelyn Bongali. Best in Group Performance, that is performer number 2. Performer number 2, along yung makapot na gilas ng award. Alright, Best in Group Performance. Next minor award for Ritual Showdown, that is Best in Costume. For Best in Costume, you will receive a sash and cash, and that is sponsored by Miss Karen and Chavez. Best in Costume in Ritual Showdown. Best in Costume to be awarded by Karen and Gian. So Best in Costume goes to performer That is performer queen number 1. Festival queen number 1. To be awarded by sponsored by Miss Rose Green Campus. To be awarded by Sash and Cash. To be awarded by
Maral!
Asking to be awarded by Barat. So the winner will receive a sash and cash. So sash from the sash maker of the Philippines, Rodel Silva. Pwede itong sash muli siya official maker sa Sinulog Festival. Alright, congratulations, Queen number 1. Magic thing. Alright. Next is for Festival Queen, first runner-up. For Festival Queen, first runner-up will receive a sash and cash, sponsored by CJ Nicole Mantalapa. And to be awarded by Ma'am Pauline. For first runner-up, Queen number 4 from Give That Dance Company. Alright, congratulations. Alright, so now let's have the grand winner for Festival Queen. Okay, to be awarded by Carmelita Ortez and Mimi J. Omalas. For Festival Queen 26 grand champion, that is Queen number 3 from Iron Dance Company. To be awarded by Ma'am Carmelita Ortez and Mimi J. Omalas. So the winner will receive a sash and a cash. Sponsored by Miss Emily Tonic, and the winner will receive a crown. Iron Dance po ang assist. Festival Queen 2026. Congratulations sa Festival Queen 2026. And now for the ritual showdown. Okay. Congratulations for the Festival Queen 2026. Nothing themselves for Ritual Showdown. For second runner-up, sorry. For second runner-up, that is performer number 3. Performer number 3, the winner will receive a a trophy and a cash. Together with their choreographer, performer number 3, Irene Dance Company. Performer number 3, that is second runner-up. Together with your choreographer. Choreographer. So the winner will receive a trophy and cash for second runner-up. Alright, second runner-up. Alright, next for major award for Ritual Showdown competition. First runner-up goes to performer number. First runner-up performer number 4. Sorry, the Ritual Showdown. First runner-up performer number 1. So the winner will receive a trophy and cash. Let's go. So first one. So the winner will receive a trophy and cash. Together with asking for Ma'am Monterola, ma'am, please go. Congratulations for performer number 1. Alright. To be awarded by to be awarded by Leah and Connie for first runner-up. Sorry, Carmelita and Nikki J for first runner-up. Asan niya? Congratulations for first runner-up, that is performer number 1. Congratulations, alright, and the grand champion most important to our six is now performer number 3, Rigo Pagaga. To be awarded by Miley and Rap. Sponsors at the production from Home Harbors Flight. champion, grand champion. Tara yung nabiyahe natin po ang prizes.